Hello and happy new year. Today I want to do the first book review for the year, Strange Tides, a book by Michael Kindalel Enkakenya, Tolosho. I'll just read an excerpt on the back of the book. The trees that were hanging their heads were celebrating now. She knew that the wind had brought some good news and wanted to get the message. She bowed her head again and prayed. This time, she heard some sounds in the strong wind that was now blowing everything around her way. She was scared and opened her eyes again. The message was not clear, but she heard one thing: hold on and be strong. I am coming home for you. Now, this is a story of several characters, but most importantly, four young Maasai youth, Sanaet, who is caught in between the two worlds, being a moran and also going to the mission, which actually he does, and Memusi, who was fortunate to had gone to the mission before, and he opens the way for Sanaet to do that. It also talks about the story of two girls, two sisters, that is Lankenua and Lanoi. Lankenua happened to have been in love with Sanaet the whole time, and she dedicated her life to him. She kind of buoyed her life on him. She kind of hung everything that her life depended on Sanaet, who unfortunately, after going to the mission, had a change of plans. And Lanoi, who happened to be the sister to Lankenua, also fights with her father, actually running away from circumcision, something which could be an abomination, something which we address with Ol'Aimerri, a story for another day. And so she runs away, and one way or another, she finds herself in the same mission that Sanaet was in. And long story short, they take long to build a dream, to build a vision for their community and village, and they later come back to the village bringing hope, bringing progress, bringing ideals and models for a possible future. I like what this guy had done with this book. Consider this a review, actually. So it has 4 parts. Yes, very interesting. I like this. So it has, of course, dedication and acknowledgements, but it starts with a forward, like this is what the story is. But then we have part 1, which actually happens in the village when Sanaet was a moran, and then part 2, where now they come into contact with the contemporary world, they run away to the mission, him and Sanaet, and of course conclusion, like now what happens or what should happen now that these are the stakes that this community is facing. I'll just read a bio for my friend Michael Kindalel here. Strange Tides, Enkakenya Tolosho. Again, please get this. It's a very good read for somebody who wants to understand philosophical dilemma for the Maasai community as we speak, or society for this time. About the author. Michael Kindalel is an acclaimed author known for his powerful contributions to historical nonfiction and motivational literature. His contemporary Warriors Formula books have captivated readers worldwide, with notable works including the best-selling titles Dawn of New Life, published in 2017, and I Am a Warrior, published in 2019, among many others. Born and raised in Narok Town, a vibrant community in the heart of Maasai land, Narok County, Kenya, Kindalel's roots deeply influence his storytelling. In recognition of his literary excellence, Michael Kindalel was honored with the Best Author of the Year award at the prestigious Ma Awards in 2019. He is also the visionary founder and director of Elongo Publishers. With a unique blend of historical insight and motivational wisdom, Kindalel's works resonate deeply with audiences, establishing him as a distinguished figure in contemporary literature. Yes, and I'm so fortunate to say that he is my friend. Please buy Strange Tides. I'll put the link on the comments there. Read these books. I'm again going to review another Maasai author soon. And yes, let's support these brilliant minds. Let's again re-listen, let's reimagine, let's regenerate a new Maasai narrative for a modern Maasai. Yes, from Ol'Aimerri I say, Ol'Aimerri, and again, Happy New Year.